How to fix TikTok shop not showing. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your TikTok shop not showing. So let's get started. First, just wait for your TikTok to fix itself. That is, sometimes there can be glitches and that glitches will go itself. So wait for a bit and check if the TikTok shop is available now. If it's not, now you can simply go ahead and update your TikTok, and even after that it's not fixed, simply open up your TikTok, go to your profile on the bottom right. After you're on the profile on the bottom right, tap on the three lines on the top right, go to settings and privacy. Now after you're here, scroll down all the way, you will see report a problem under support and about section. Tap on report a problem. Now after you've done that, scroll down all the way again and you will see chat with us. Tap on chat with us. Now you're redirected to TikTok help desk. Now right here, you can simply paste something like this. Now write your problem here. You can write something like this, or I guess you should make it a bit, smaller as, okay, it's fine. So there you are. Now you can simply place something like that. Now you can simply ask something like, my TikTok shop isn't working. Now you can try something like this, and TikTok's support will help you fix the problem. And yeah, that is basically how you fix it. Thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.